These are vintage redware plates. This is really cool. It's got a little bee on it right there. We'll be using the terracotta milliput. This mold from here to here is being made so that I can replace this missing part from here to here. This mold is being made so I can replace these two little missing parts right here. When these are done, they will go on this and that. This one has a couple of small chips on the leaves in two places. This would have no damage. This one's a little bit wrecked, but it's not a problem. But these are going to be fun. We like redware real well.